Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 3, chapter complex number, exercise 1, question number 18 here. Let's look at the question. Question is, an expression in Z is given to us and we have to find out, or we have to show that mod Z is equal to 1. Okay, so in this type of question, we cannot take mod on the entire thing because mod will not break into addition subtraction. And then the other thing that comes naturally from our algebra, that we need to factorize it. So one important concept here is that if it involves I, then maybe it is sometimes easier to replace -1 with I square. So let's see if that is going to help us here. So plus Z square minus, so I'm saying that I am replacing I with, so Z I square plus I is equal to 0. Now, I think that's making it much easier to see now. So we will take a Z square common here. So Zi plus 1. And again, we take just I here common. So Zi plus 1 is equal to 0. So we get our two factors, Z squared plus I and Zi plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, two factors becoming 0, that means Z squared must be equal to minus I. So now we can take mod both sides. If we take mod both sides, then this is 1. Mod of minus I is 1. Mod is just x squared plus y squared. So 1. And this is nothing but 1. Sorry. So Z mod Z is square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 1 is only 1 because this is a real number. Now Zi is equal to minus 1. Again, replace 1 with I square. So we get this is equal to I. Mod, taking mod both sides, we get 1. That's it. So this question was only about looking at I square as minus 1 or vice versa, looking at minus 1 as I square. This was only one. Thank you.